Hello everyone. So I think we can start the training today now. And the topic of today's training is about the Wisualarm residential fire alarm products. And I'm Matilda from Wisualarm team, and I'm responsible for the residential fire alarm products. So the contents of today's training can be consist of three parts. The first part is the theory part, and the second part is the practical part, and the third part is the Q&A part. If you have any questions, you can just ask me in the meeting. And for the theory part, I will give a brief introduction on Wisualarm residential fire alarm products to show you the basic functions of each products, and also to introduce the solution of our residential fire alarms. So here's the first part, theory part. Our Wisualarm residential fire alarm has four kinds of series. We have the standalone product series, Wisulink Pro product series, Wi-Fi product series, and the AC means powered product series. This is our solution about the This is our solution about the residential fire alarm products. We have, as you can see, we have the standalone products. This kind of products is used standalone, and it can trigger some alarm locally. And this kind of products can't be added to our app, just use by itself. And we also have the Wisulink interconnected products. For these kinds of products, we can use in two ways. The first way we can use these products without the gateway. All the Wisulink interconnected products can be interconnected with each other through the RF signal. But if you want to receive the alarm notification, or you want to see the product status on your app, you can just add our gateway into the solution, and you can so that you can edit all the detectors through our wireless gateway on our app. You can see the alarm notification from the detector, and you also can receive the fault, for example, the fault notification as well. And then and all of these Wisulink interconnected products is DC powered products. And then we also have the means powered products. This kind of products is powered by AC power. And for the detectors, we have the AC powered smoke detector and also the AC powered heat detector. Both detector besides the AC powered, it also has the backup battery inside. Inside the detector, and we also have the Pro gateway. For this Pro gateway is also powered by AC powered, and also have a rechargeable battery as the backup battery inside. And for the AC alarms, it can achieve the wired interconnection. And if you want to achieve the wireless interconnection between these AC alarms, we also have the wireless interconnected module. We can just insert this module into the means powered detectors, and then we can achieve the wireless interconnection between these products. And we also have some Wi-Fi products. Now we have the Wi-Fi smoke alarm, which can be added directly on the Wisualarm app, so that if you are not at home, you can just receive the real-time alarm notification on your app. And for the platform, we have the Wisualarm app and the Wisualarm business website. The Wisualarm app is usually used for the end user. It is a user-friendly mobile phone for end user to enhance the fire alarm business mobility management. And also our Wisualarm cameras also can be added on this app. And for the Wisualarm business is a professional cloud-based web portal for landlords and installers to manage on-site fire alarms and also the CCTV cameras. This platform is really for some business project and for some landlords and installers to manage. And here is the residential fire alarm products family. We can see here we have the standalone series, and for this series we have many kinds of products. We have the smoke alarm, the heat alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, natural gas alarm, LPG gas alarm, and so on. And all of these alarms can be installed on the different places in our house to achieve a whole solution for the apartment. And for the Wisualarm Pro series, we have the wireless smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, natural gas alarm, heat alarm, and also we have the environmental sensor, which need to be used with our wireless gateway, and we can set the alarm threshold on our app. When the temperature that's detected by the environmental sensor reaches the alarm threshold, it will trigger an alarm. And we also have this one, the vibration pad and the strobe light kit. This kit is usually used for some deaf and hard hearing person. And this device is a passive alarm device. It can be interconnected with, for example, with the wireless interconnected smoke alarm. For example, when the smoke alarm triggers an alarm, it will transfer the alarm signal to the vibration pad kit, and then the strobe light will flashes and the vibration pad will vibrate to alert the person to know the alarm message. And we also have the wireless interconnected water leak detector. It is usually used in the kitchen or in the bathroom to detect the water leakage. And all of these Wisualarm Pro series products can be interconnected, except the environmental sensor can be interconnected with each other. And when one of these alarms triggers, all of the alarms in this wireless interconnection network will trigger too. And for the Wisualarm solution, we also have the LED gateway. And we also has the Pro gateway. The difference between this gateway is the Pro gateway can support up to 128 wireless devices. And for the Pro gateway, it can support the Wi-Fi, the Ethernet and also the 4G internet connection. And then we have the control unit. The main function for this product is three functions. The first one is test. If these products interconnected with other wireless connected products, you can just press the test button on the control unit, and all the products in the wireless interconnection network will be tested. And also, it has a silence function. If you press the silence button on this control unit, it can silence all of Wisualarm devices too as well. And also, it has a function called locate. If you press the locate button, for example, in the wireless interconnection network, the smoke alarm is initial alarm device. And then when it's triggered, another devices, for example, the CO alarm, the natural gas alarm also triggered. When you test the locate button on the control unit, it can locate the initial alarm device. After you press the button, only the smoke alarm will continue to sound and flashes, and another devices as the passive alarms will stop flashes and sound. And then we have the AC means power products. We have the means smoke alarm and also the means heat alarm. And both of alarm has two types of the backup battery, the sealed battery and also the replaceable battery. And we also have the relay model. We have two types of relay model. We have the wireless interconnected relay model and also the wired relay model. And we also have the wireless model, which can be inserted into the means smoke alarm or means heat alarm to achieve the wireless interconnection. And for the Wi-Fi series, as I said before, we have the Wi-Fi smoke alarm can be added on our Wisualarm app. And we have the Wi-Fi gas alarm. And this Wi-Fi gas alarm, this kind of Wi-Fi gas alarm can be added on the IMO app. But in this year, we also will develop the Wi-Fi gas alarm, which can be added on Wisualarm app. And here is some key features for our smoke alarm. Firstly, is the split spectrum sensing technology. With most of our smoke alarm can support this technology, except the economy model like this one, SA13A. And with the advanced split spectrum sensor, it can reduce the false alarm and by distinguishing the smoke from a vapor or dust. And we can silence our alarms with mostly remote controller. Our smoke alarm can be muted by mostly common remote controller in your home. And please pay attention that our carbon monoxide alarm can't be silenced by the remote controller or on app because the alarm from carbon monoxide alarm is usually the emergency alarm. So we can only press the silence button on the carbon monoxide alarm to silence the alarm from CO alarm. And here is the solution about the Wisualarm Pro series. Our Wisualarm Pro series products is usually applicated in some houses or the apart forms. As we can see, we have the smoke alarm, CO alarm, and heat alarm, carbon monoxide alarm. And the smoke alarm is usually installed on in the living room or some storage room. And the heat alarm is usually installed in the kitchen, and CO alarm in the living room as well. And for the alarm kit for deaf and hard hearing, we usually installed in the bedroom and near our bed. And a maximum of 24 Wisualarm devices can be interconnected into one group. And we also can add our fire alarm cameras into the gateway to achieve the video into the app to achieve the video linkage. And then the video linkage can be notified via the Wisualarm app. And if you want to receive the notification, you need to select the gateway, add the gateway into the whole solution. And this is a brief introduction about our alarm kit for the deaf and hard of hearing. I need to introduce this product here because when we talk about the practical part, I will show you the how to use these devices using the devices on my hand. So I will give you a brief introduction here. And this alarm kit for the deaf and hard hearing is designed for the hearing impaired. When there are gas leaks, fires, or other alarms, it can be linked to send out a light and vibration alarm signal to remind the hearing impaired to evacuate. And the kit consists of a mains powered strobe light and also the vibration pad to alert the hearing impaired. And the strobe light has a rechargeable lithium battery inside too. And this device can be achieve the wireless interconnection with other Wisualarm products, series products, and the wireless interconnection can up to 24 devices. And for this alarm kit, also can be added on our app through our gateway. And for the Wi-Fi product series, it is usually used in some also in some housing places. And we already have the Wi-Fi smoke alarm, which has the 2-year life lithium battery powered, and it can detect the smoke in the housing, and it can be added directly on our to our Wisualarm app. We can just when you are not at home, you can just see the alarm notification on your mobile phone. And we also have the Wi-Fi natural gas alarm, but this alarm is compatible with IMO Life app, and we also are developing for our own natural gas alarm, Wi-Fi natural gas alarm. And here is our AC means series products. We have the means power smoke alarm with the rechargeable battery, and also have the smoke alarm with 9 voltage replaceable battery. And for the heat, it's the same. And we also have the wireless interconnected relay model and the wireless interconnected model. About how to use our wireless interconnected relay model, I will show you on the practical part. And all of these AC-powered alarms can be wired like this to achieve the wired interconnection. And if you want to achieve the wireless interconnection with other RF signal products, you can just insert the MRF 60 model into the AC alarms. And here is some introduction about our mains gateway. Our mains gateway is a larger one and is mains power gateway and also have a rechargeable lithium battery inside for the continuously working for 12 hours, even the mains power fails. And for the communication types, it can support the Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and also the 4G SIM card for uploading the data to the software. And then we are going to talk about the practical part. Before this part, and the practical part, I will introduce the Wisualarm product series firstly, and then we come to the mains power product series. So here are some steps for the use of Wisualarm products. The first one is how to power it on. Because many of our detectors have insulating film. So please remember that remove the insulating film from the battery compartment to turn on the device. Otherwise, the device can't be powered on. And to achieve the interconnection with each wireless interconnected devices, you need to make sure that only two alarms are powered on at a time to ensure the successful interconnection. Otherwise, the interconnection may be fail or the device malfunction may occur. So these are some steps about how to interconnect our devices. I will read the instruction firstly, and I will show you directly using the devices on my hand. For the first step, we need to press the test and silence button continuously 4 times on the initial alarm. Hello? Anyone has some question? Okay, if no, you don't have question, we can continue. Okay, so for the first step, you need to press the test and silence button continuously 4 times on the initial alarm. And then the alarm will beeps and the LED will flashes continuously. And to edit the second to interconnect the second device with the first device, we need to press the test and silence button on a second device continuously 2 times. And then when the indicator of the second alarm turns to red LED and flashes continuously, means the pairing successfully. And to edit more devices, you can just press twice time on the second on another devices twice time, and then when the indicator turns to green LED and flashing continuously means out of these three devices already being interconnected with each other successfully. And please remember that the interconnecting mode will be 3 minutes. So if the 3 minutes passed, you need to press on the initial alarm again to enter into the interconnection mode. So now I will use the devices on my hand to show you the interconnection step. Means powered heat alarm, and this is our means powered smoke alarm, and this is the DC powered smoke alarm, DC powered smoke alarm, and this is the wireless carbon monoxide alarm. This is our wireless interconnected relay model, and this is the alarm kit for the deaf and hard hearing person. So now I will show you how to interconnect these devices with each other. And before to do the interconnection, we need to make sure that we already insert the wireless interconnecting module into the AC alarms. And then we just power on the device. Okay, so now we can do the interconnection step. We can just press the button on the initial alarm 4 times. And then we press the test and silence button on other device twice. When the indicator tends to be the green LED and flashes continuously, means these two devices already interconnected with each other. And then we just press twice on the other detector, and as you can see, the green LED flashes. And then we press here twice again. As to be the green LED tube, and then press twice. Here also press twice. And for this device, if it's already entered into the pairing mode, it will flash the blue indicator here. And then it means that all the devices already being interconnected with each other. And to exist the interconnecting mode, we just press once on the initial alarm. And now already the interconnection mode already exists. Okay. So and then about how to test. For the single device test, we just press the test and silence button once, and then the devices will beeps and the indicator will flashes. And for the interconnected devices test, we can just press and hold the test and silence button on any devices until other interconnected devices start to beep. And after receiving the signal, other devices will start beeping with the indicators flashing. I also will show you this part. using the products on the desk. To do the interconnected test, we just press and hold the test and silence button on any devices until all of other devices will beep together. So I just select this one. Okay, as you can see, the interconnected test is successful. Okay. So about how to silence. You can press the test and silence button on the initial alarm device, and all the interconnected devices will be muted. And if you press the test and silence button on any other alarm device, the initial 18 device will not be muted. So I will show you the silence part. So now I will use the smoke tester to trigger sound on the smoke alarm. And then I will show the silence step. As you can see, if you press the silence test and silence button on the initial alarm, all the devices in the interconnected network will be silenced too. And about how to disconnect it, we can just press the test and silence button continuously 4 times, and then hold the test and silence button until the green LED off. Then the disconnection step will succeed. And here is some introduction about the indicator status. I just take carbon monoxide alarm as an example. And for carbon monoxide alarm, it has 3 types of LED indicator. And the red indicator means alarm, the yellow indicator means fault, and the green means the power on. And all of LED status and alarm sound status will also be described on our user menu. So to know the details on the indicators about the indicator status of each detector, you can just check on the user menu. And then is part about how to interconnect on our gateway. Firstly, you can just download the Wisualarm app from the iOS or Google Store or Android Store to search for our Wisualarm app. And then you can add the gateway on your app by scanning the QR code on the gateway. And then we can choose the internet connection method, like the Wi-Fi or Ethernet to link the gateway online. And please remember to use the Type-C cable to power on our gateway. And for the adding instruction, all of instruction will show on the app, so it's very easy for the user to understand. And I also have a video to show you how to interconnect our gateway and add our detectors on the app. So as you can see, we just need to scan the product QR code and edit the gateway onto the app. And then, and please make sure that we already turn on the gateway. And then you just need to press the button 4 times to put the wireless gateway into the interconnected state. And just follow the instruction of the app to establish a Wi-Fi connection to precision. When the connection is successful, you can hear a voice announcement from the wireless gateway. And now you can see we already successfully add the wireless gateway onto the app, and you also can configure the room here. And to add more detectors under the gateway, you can just press the continue adding detector here. We need to press 3 times on the gateway to enter the pairing mode. And then we can select one of the smoke alarm, firstly to make sure it's already powered on, to route the mounting plate. And then we need to press 3 times on the smoke alarm. when the green LED will start to flash, and press next. And then the detectors is successfully added on the gateway, under the gateway. To add more detectors, you can also according to these instructions. And to exist the pairing mode for the gateway, you can just click on again the gateway button to exist the pairing mode. Okay, so now all the devices are connected. Okay, so this is the wireless gateway part. And then about the mains power product series. Here has some brief introduction about the wiring mode of the AC power products. We have 3 types of wiring: the neutral, interconnected, and live. And this is the there has a removable trunking door for the service cable entry. And here we can just put the wiring here inside, and wiring the cables here. And here's some indicator status for the AC means power products. The green indicator means the power on status, and the alarm, the red means alarm. When the red indicator flashes once per second, the buzzer beeps once per second, means it triggers an alarm. And for the fault status, it has 2 types of fault: the sensor fault and also the low battery backup fault. When there is a fault, the LED will turn to yellow. And for the sensor fault, the yellow indicator flashes twice per minute. And for the low battery backup fault, the yellow indicator flashes once per minute. And here is about the wireless interconnected model. As shown before, you can just insert the wireless interconnected motor plug into the indicator, and then we can achieve the wireless interconnected with other Wisualarm RF battery powered alarm units. And then here is some introduction about the solution, included the relay model. About the solution of relay model, this solution can include many kinds of devices. Can include our flame detection network camera, the fire alarm panel, our gateway, and also the AC alarm and DC alarms. The solution can be achieved like this. For example, when the cameras triggers an alarm, and then it will transfer the alarm signal to our relay module. If the relay module is already being interconnected with other wireless DC alarm or AC alarm, it will also trigger an alarm and then transfer the alarm signal to the alarm output device. For example, the siren or the fire alarm panel. And if you want to receive the alarm notification, when you are not at home, you also can add our wireless gateway into the whole solution. And then when the alarm triggers, you can receive the alarm notification on our app. And another solution is, for example, when the DC alarms triggers an alarm, it can transmit the alarm signal to the relay module 2, and the relay module will be triggered as well and transmit the alarm signal to the alarm out port device. And the alarm out port device will also trigger an alarm. So that's how our whole solution works. And here's some introduction about the installation method of our relay module. The relay module can be wall mounted, ceiling mounted, or combined in installation with our mains power detector. And here is some introduction about the wiring for the relay module. As you can see here is the power supply. We need to connect the powered wiring here to power on our relay module. And here is the switch, the battery switch. The battery switch should be switched to the on position prior to completing the installation of the relay and fitting the upper cover. And here is the alarm in part. We need to connect the alarm in wiring here. And here is the alarm out port. We have two relay out port. And we can just connect the wiring here and connect to the external panel or device here. Here I also prepared a video to show you how our whole solution works. This is our fire alarm panel, and the input model, the thunderstorm, smoke alarm, the wireless interconnected relay model, and the flame detection network camera. We need to screw the hose, and then to wire the mains power to do the mains powered wiring, and also the output wiring and input wiring here. And this is two solutions without gateway. Firstly, we need to turn. We can turn the backup power switch to on or directly connect to the main power. And we just press the button 4 times to enter the interconnection mode. And then press twice on other devices. When the green indicator flashes continuously, means the pairing mode among these 3 devices succeed. Then we just press once to exit the interconnecting mode. And here is solution 1. When the camera detected the fire, the relay module received the alarm signal. As you can see, the strobe light flashes, and all of the wireless devices in the network, interconnected network alarm sound together. And here is solution 2. I just use the smoke tester to test the smoke alarm. And when the smoke alarm in the interconnected network alarms, all the devices will start to beep and flashes. And then the wireless relay module will receive an alarm signal and it will trigger an output device linkage alarm too. And you also can add the Wisualarm gateway to the overall solution. Just follow the instruction on the app. And when there is an alarm, you can receive the alarm information in real time on our app. And you also can press the view details to see the alarm information. So now we comes into the final part, the Q&A part. I just list some questions that the region usually ask me before. You can just take a quick look at here, and if you have any questions about the residential fire alarm products, you also can ask me now. Anyone has some question about today's training? Okay, so if you guys didn't have some question, we can just end the meeting today. And we also will upload the training record on our YouTube. YouTube. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this training today.